Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I fixed my computer keeps waking up from sleep mode. So what I did is simply, first step what you need to do here is to unplug one by one your peripherals. So first of all, unplug your mouse and then put your computer to sleep and look if computer is waking up or not. If it's not waking up, this means your mouse is the issue. And just unplug one, go to sleep mode, and look what's basically what when you unplug some sort of a peripheral, look when your computer is not waking up. And then what you need to do here, usually it's wireless mouse, keyboard, or other stuff. And once you know, for example, in my case was mouse, once you know what's waking up your computer, you need to go to device manager. And then you need to, usually it's network adapters, try to look for them. But in my case was mice. So what I did is simply went to mice. And then as you can see here, there is compliant mouse. So what you need to do here is to right click on it, power management, and make sure to just deselect this option here, allow this device to wake up this computer. And do the same with this one as well. Right, and your computer should not be waking up. Same thing with the keyboard. If you have wireless keyboard, you can do the same here, and it should fix your problem. And this, if this did not work, what I suggest you to do here next is to go to power options, edit power plan. Then you need to go to edit plan settings, and then press on change advanced power settings, right? Then here you need to look for sleep option, then press plus icon here, and then you should see allow wake timers, right? Expand this option here, and then make sure this option is disabled and apply OK. And then you need to look if the problem persists. And this should definitely fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.